time. The moment has arrived. We now officially are ready to launch our placement directory. Yay. So what we've done for the last few years is we have created a placement group that worked exclusively with accounting and tax professionals to find and hire other accounting and tax professionals. We did this only in a full service way, which means we did it all for you and presented you with the top 3 best candidates to select and hire. That process is obviously much more extensive, much more service oriented, and took about 4 to 6 weeks per position. And we felt like there was a faster, better way for us to deliver the same result and give you the opportunity to make your own selection based on a public directory. So we are excited to announce, for anyone who's interested in learning more about how to be on the directory, to be found instead of looking at the job board waiting for a job to be available, we would love to invite you to come hear more details about this placement directory. Just jump on one of our upcoming webinars or watch one of our recordings to learn the details about what it looks like to be somebody who can be found by one of the franchisees who's looking to hire, or our general community of accounting and tax professionals. In our full service placement, we are very careful in selecting only those firms that will honor our culture and make sure that family is a priority, and allow all of the candidates to work 100% virtually. But on the placement directory, we can't be quite as rigorous in screening and vetting. Our placement directory really is a do-it-yourself platform. So you have the opportunity to put yourself out there and attract lots of different variety of job opportunities. The placement directory is a great way to speed up the process and allow more professionals to connect with each other. Please join us on our upcoming webinar, watch the recording to learn more. Thank you so much, and best wishes to all of you on your career search.